With a Zero Trust model, every resource requires dynamic authentication. A user's context must be validated before granting access. Your context can include your identity, your geographical location, your behavior risk level, your device threat status, the content you are accessing, and more. You first use a combination of context to allow or deny access to an application. But for a Zero Trust model to be effective, it must extend beyond the initial authentication stage. Zero Trust requires continuous verification of the user's context. For example, the Lookout Cloud Security Platform uses the context to determine if a user is able to export a report. Certain operations succeed, while others are denied because the export includes confidential information not permissible on a risky endpoint device. Context often looks at the user's identity, location, and device threat status. With the Lookout Cloud Security Platform, a user's context is also based on the user's behavior risk level. A user's historical activity determines if their current actions are a cause for concern. When anomalies arise, the Lookout Cloud Security Platform can challenge the user to re-verify their identity. Because your activities are monitored and compared to your historical behavior, your risk level is dynamic. As you have more behavior deviations and overall threats to the environment, your user threat level continues to increase. When the overall context for a user is too risky, the Lookout Cloud Security Platform continues to restrict activities within the applications. Sharing, printing, and clipboard operations are restricted. Uploads, downloads, imports, and exports are also restricted. And with the Lookout Cloud Security Platform, Zero Trust goes beyond the confines of the app. Zero Trust principles are applied to protected content downloaded from managed SaaS apps and private enterprise apps. Your context determines if you can successfully decrypt protected data. If your device has a high threat risk, access to protected data is denied. But when the device risk comes back into compliance, access to local protected data is fully restored. With the Lookout Cloud Security Platform, you can easily apply Zero Trust principles to your application resources.